Today we decided to take a walk, go up to Friendship Tower is what they call it, here on Mount Roosevelt. You can see behind us, it is actually a fairly steep path to get up to it, but not too bad. We're taking our time. Harley Joe's enjoying it. Why, she's got her walking sticks. How are those walking sticks doing?
Good.
All right, so that was her like Mother's Day present? Was it?
Mother's Day present.
Yeah, Mother's Day's present. See, I give from the heart, you know. Anyways.
These guys have pickled?
No, I knew they'd help her out. So, well, we'll see you a little bit further up the path. Uh-oh, there's a fork in the road. One leads to the tower, the other leads to Hell's Canyon. No, I'm kidding. They both go to the same spot. So we just have to pick. One will make you big, one will make you small. No, wrong story. If we're gonna go left or right. Which way are we going? We're gonna go right. So we're gonna go left. Sandra, my wife, said, sign says trail that way. So I looked around. And I looked around. And I looked around. I didn't see no sign. She said tree. On the tree. Says trail. Found it. Thank goodness we didn't go the other way because, you know, Hell's Canyon. That's pretty deep. Okay. Onwards and upwards. Oh, here we got some information. Mining and logging.
Okay, the mining would make sense.
Yeah. Well, we figured it out. From mining. So, this all came from inside the hill. Anyways, onwards and upwards. Mama is running to get to the top. She wants to take a break. She's motivated. And Harley Joe, she's trying to take off too, so I guess I better put some pep in my step. Keep going. I think we're almost getting to the top. Looks like it's starting to level out a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful view up here though.
Well, it did really well.
It does. I just happened to look up and see a little bit of a fence or something like that, and there it is. Well, there's Friendship Tower. Built for the president, Mr. Roosevelt, by the first sheriff of Deadwood, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sure one of these storyboards will correct me if I'm wrong, but wow, that is pretty cool. We got another signage up here. Ah, got some shade. Take a break. Have some water. There we go. Alright, so let's take a look at this Friendship Tower. Some pretty narrow and steep steps. Yeah, you want to take your time. Be careful when you come up here. Oh, what do we got here? cool. Look at this. Looking out at spearfish, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Float around. It's over in the Deadwood area, I believe. Don't shoot me. And there's Mama and Harley. Say hi. Wow. Well, let's go back down. Switch hands so I get my hand on the rail. 3 points of contact at all times, right? Checking on him. Ooh, yeah. Back around. And we're out. Oh. Head back to shade. You made it! Pretty spectacular view, huh?
I haven't looked yet. Really high.
Well, we're saying bye to the Friendship Tower. Pretty cool area up here. Pretty good hike for us. And now it's back to camp. We'll talk to you guys later.